How to do YouTube optimization with AI, step-by-step guide, YouTube optimization tutorial. In today's video, we're diving into how you can optimize your YouTube channel with AI. From improving your titles and descriptions to analyzing viewer engagement, AI can help you boost your content and grow your audience. Let's get started. Step 1. Keyword research. First, let's talk about keyword research. Using AI tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google's Keyword Planner, these tools analyze search volumes and competition, helping you choose keywords that will drive traffic to your videos. Step 2. Optimizing titles and descriptions. Next, optimize your titles and descriptions. AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can suggest keywords and phrases that are trending in your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your titles and descriptions to improve your video's visibility in search results. Step 3. Thumbnail creation. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see. Use AI tools like Canva's Magic Resize or Adobe Spark, which provide templates and design suggestions tailored to YouTube. These tools use AI to recommend color schemes, fonts, and layouts that grab attention and increase click-through rates. Step 4. Transcriptions and subtitles. Providing transcriptions and subtitles not only makes your content accessible, but also boosts SEO. AI-powered services like Rev, Otterd, AI, or YouTube's own auto-captioning can generate accurate transcriptions. Edit these to ensure accuracy and upload them as subtitles to your videos. Step 5. Analyzing viewer engagement. Understanding how your audience interacts with your content is crucial. AI analytics tools like YouTube Analytics, Social Blade, and Sprott Social can provide insights into viewer behavior. Look at metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates to identify what's working and what's not. Step 6. Content recommendations and scheduling. AI can also help with content recommendations and scheduling. Tools like TubeBuddy and Hootsuite analyze your past performance and suggest the best times to upload your videos for maximum engagement. They can also recommend content ideas based on what's trending in your niche. Step 7. Optimizing end screens and cards. End screens and cards keep viewers engaged with your channel. AI tools can suggest the best placement for these elements based on viewer behavior data. Tools like TubeBuddy can recommend which videos to promote at the end of your current video to keep viewers on your channel longer. Step 8. Monitoring and adjusting strategy. Finally, continuously monitor and adjust your strategy. AI tools can provide real-time data and insights, helping you tweak your content and approach as needed. Regularly review your analytics and make adjustments to stay ahead of trends and keep your audience engaged. Conclusion. And there you have it. By leveraging AI, you can optimize every aspect of your YouTube channel, from keyword research to viewer engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.